Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to add a shop owner photo on Etsy. So basically your shop photo or basically the shop owner photo on Etsy is your bio on profile picture. So you use your bio to introduce yourself to shoppers and other sellers in the Etsy community. Make your bio more personal by describing things about yourself and your business. But for today, we're not going to talk about the bio itself. We're going to concentrate on the photo. So how can we add it? It's very simple, guys. To how to upload a profile picture. Now, to upload a profile picture, you need to go to Etsy.com. So simply go here and then go to your account. Very easy. Go to your account and then go to account settings as you'll be saying right here. Then click on edit public profile as you will be saying. Then choose browse or choose file to locate the image file your computer has. So you have to already have like a file within your computer. So now once you have done that, select an image to use, then select Save Changes. Now, with that, you're pretty much done, but let's see what can make our profile picture better, or some tips about it. The image you use must be at least 400 times 400 pixels in size and smaller than 10 megabytes. Make sure your original image is a square on your profile picture will be distorted on the site. You can't delete your profile picture, but you can always replace it with a new one. Profile picture should be in the JPG, PNG, or GIF file only. Otherwise, it won't get accepted. And yeah, guys, with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. And thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And see you guys in the next upcoming videos.